Hello, I'm Dr. Bastav Ghosh, consultant urologist and uro-oncologist, AMRI Hospital. We'll be discussing about kidney tumor in a nutshell. Kidney tumor is one of the dreaded disease we encounter as a uro-oncologist. Uh, for the last few years or maybe last decade, we are observing that the kidney tumor is increasing every year by 1% roughly, which is a big number as far as the treatment and mm, the impact concerned. So more and more nowadays, the kidney cancer are being detected as a asymptomatic in asymptomatic patients. That means that patients are not being presented with the kidney tumor as a disease. Rather, these are detected by some investigation which are being done for other diseases, maybe pain abdomen or something else. So, as ultrasonography is pretty common nowadays, these kidney tumors or small kidney tumors are being detected, and these are thus called incidentaloma. So, incidentally detected tumors, that's why they are called incidentaloma. Now, these tumors are not always the case. I mean, kidney tumor may present as like with hematuria, that means blood in urine, the mass in the abdomen, but these are quite late in the disease scenario. So, but if the kidney tumors are detected early in the disease course, that is as incidentaloma as we discussed, so the chance of recovery and the chance of getting cure is much more. Usually, we advocate a CT scan, contrast enhanced CT scan, which tells us about the position of the kidney, the size of the kidney tumor in the kidney, and the relative position of the tumor in the kidney. Those are very important. And of course, about the other organs, if in cases where the tumor has spread outside the kidney in other parts of the body. This is the basis of the, I mean, primary basis of the treatment where we need to diagnose and formulate the treatment. Biopsy is not always necessary for detecting kidney tumor, but in some cases, very specific cases, we need to do biopsy, core needle biopsy to confirm. And if we advocate treatment of cryotherapy or needle ablation, thermal therapy, there this biopsy and other things are sometimes important and necessary. But the mainstay of the treatment is taking out the cancer out of the body. That means taking out the tumor of the kidney. And in AMRI, we prefer to do partial nephrectomy. That means we take out the tumor, leaving behind the functioning part of the kidney. That's called partial nephrectomy. It's not possible always if the tumor is less than 7 centimeters mostly and situated peripherally. It is possible. Here we perform laparoscopic partial nephrectomy, where the entire surgery is done through laparoscopic method. Patient does not have major cut in the abdomen, with the benefit of preserving the kidney, the functioning part of the kidney, while removing the tumor. That is not feasible, or I mean, that needs a lot of expertise and a high volume center, which both are available in this hospital. And we proudly declare that we preserve the kidney, and as we say that every nephron, that is every minute part of the kidney, is important. So as much as we can save is good for the patient. Thank you.